5 Dow components and more than 50 S&P 500 companies report quarterly numbers next week. And it's not just the banks. The results we're also going to get results from big tech and pharma companies as well. So we are zeroing in here on some of the biggest names in a trade it or fade it earnings edition, starting with, of course, Tesla, surging 128% this year so far. Guy, trade it or fade it?
Yeah, Steve's going to be the other side of this, and he's been spot on, so it's going to be difficult to beat him on this one. But I'll say into earnings, the fact that this 280 level represents effectively a 50% retracement of that all-time high we saw in the fall of 21 and the recent low we saw in January of this year, I think it's a place to sort of pause into earnings. I would fade it, Sarah.
Steve, you've got to take the other side, right?
Yeah, well, I don't have to, but Tesla would definitely trade this
After that setup he gave you so much credit.
Yeah, no, that's okay. So, I'm grateful for it. Guy always points out when people have done well with their calls. This one, though, is really extended because I started buying this at 105, traded at 190, then got back into it. So this one has been all over the map, and I could totally understand why Guy wants to fade it at this point because it's had such a big run. But the world is entering into their charging standard. So I think they're going to be able to monetize that going forward. You might see a stutter step on this one. Ultimately, I think it goes to 300.
Well, yeah, by when? This year?
Well, my crystal ball was a little foggy today, but I would say somehow, some way before the end of the year.
All right, let's do another high flyer. Netflix up almost 50% since January 1st. Bonawyn, trade it or fade it?
I'm trading this one. And listen, I know that detractors will say that the valuation really is not compelling, and I tend to agree here. But this is more of a momentum trade for me, and they've gotten a lot of things right? You look at the streaming wars that are going on with their competitors. You kind of look at the password sharing, the ad-supported model that they've rolled out. I really don't want to find myself stepping in front of a train, particularly when I look at what has really driven returns for the market. This is one of those handful of names, so I'm going to stick with it.
Courtney?
I would fade this. I think exactly what you brought up in the first place is I think just the valuation here is my problem. And I think they're doing a lot right. I don't want to discount that as a very great company. But when you look at their ad-supported tiers, you look at them cracking down on the password sharing, I think a lot of that's unfortunately priced in as a really high bar here. I think this is one of the companies that's doing really well, but probably not acknowledging we're in this higher for longer rate environment. So I would fade it.
But do they ever trade on valuation, Netflix?
Which is a fair point, yeah. maybe on Bonawyn's side there.
Let's hit Amex because it's up 17% this year. And Steve, play on the consumer, travel, fade it or trade it?
Knee-jerk reaction was I wanted to fade this, but I'm going to trade this one. And if you start to see the millennials, this one was always associated with corporate buying or older people, more affluent purchaser. But now if you see that travel has been exploding, I think you could still have room to trade this one.
Guy?
I'll be in the faded camp. I understand what Steve's saying. Valuation is compelling, but my concern is credit quality and delinquencies, I think, are going to start to grow. That's what's going to hurt the stock.
All right, let's get to a housing trade. D.R. Horton rallying 46% so far this year. It is hard to believe the home builders have had such a good run with these rising rates. Trade it or fade it, Courtney?
I would definitely trade this. And I think it's, again, showing the resilience of the consumer here. Even with higher rates, there's no demand slowdown because the supply and demand is not going away with housing. But D.R. Horton is specifically in the entry-level homes. So all the people who are getting priced out, this is going to continue to benefit them. I would play this trade.
Bonawyn?
We're on the same team. I'm a Courtney Homer. So I'm going to trade this one as well. And I get it. Listen, you want to look for places to be a contrarian, particularly given the year-to-date performance that it's had. But this is simply a supply-demand issue for me. And as long as there's a shortage of housing, I continue to want to look at this pocket as opposed to the commercial side.
Which is why, they've outperformed so much, even with rates high, mortgage rates at, Agreed. What are we, back up to 7% or higher? It's that low supply.